Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack dispatch unknown error. This error usually happens due to temporary glitches, network issues, browser cache problems, or an unstable connection. It can appear while Slack is trying to process a request. First, refresh your tab and try again. If you're using Slack in a browser, reload the page. If you are using the desktop app, close it completely and reopen it. Next, check your internet connection by opening a browser, searching for speed test, and running the test. If your internet is slow or unstable, Slack may fail to process requests properly, which can trigger this error. After that, switch your network. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot. If you are already on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. Also, disable any VPN or proxy if you are using one, because they can interfere with Slack communication and cause unexpected errors. Turn them off, refresh Slack, and try again. Now clear your browser cache by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Select Cookies, Site Data, Cached Images, and Files, then click Delete Data. If the issue still continues, combine the fixes like switching networks and clearing cache together. The goal is to remove anything blocking Slack from sending or receiving data properly. In most cases, one of these steps fixes the dispatch unknown error quickly. That's it. We just learned how to fix a Slack dispatch unknown error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.